outdoor portable urine bag. For orders, please check video description. 95% discount, only 0.49 US dollar, 49 cent, 105 sold, 8 reviews. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. This is the pot 750 ml outdoor portable urine bag for women, men, children, mini toilet for travel, camp, hiking, potty, children training, foldable. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. With it, there's no needed to be afraid. Okay, so if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thank you so much for watching this video.